We're now going to continue looking at calculation of concentration, and for this lesson we're going to look at the most commonly used units in chemistry, which is moles per liter. So again, this is a ratio of the amount of solute that's dissolved into the solution. So the solute in this case is measured in moles, and the volume is measured in liters. So as our example, we want to calculate the concentration of a solution that contains 1.62 moles of calcium nitrate in 750 milliliters of water. We have our units of moles for the solute, but the units for the volume is 750 milliliters and we need liters. So we can do that conversion as we work out the problem. Solute always goes on top, so 1.62 moles is on the top of our ratio, and on the bottom we want liters. So if we convert the milliliters into liters, we would have 0.75. So now just dividing those two numbers, you should come out to 2.16 moles per liter. The second example is a little bit more complicated, but we'll still work it out the same way, using our units as a guide of what we want to end up with. Determine the volume of water needed to make a 0.0327 mole per liter solution of ammonium iodate by using 0.952 grams of solute. So the ammonium iodate is the solute, and because we have grams, but we're going to need moles, we need to know the chemical formula for that compound and its molar mass. So ammonium iodate is NH4IO3. And the molar mass for that compound, once you add up all of those atoms, comes out to 192.95 grams per mole. So the first thing that we may want to do is calculate the moles that we have based on the grams. So moles will be 0.952 grams times by moles over grams. And now on the bottom of the ratio, we put the 192.95 and then 1 mole on top. So when you pull out your calculator and divide that, you come out with 4.93 times 10 to the minus 3 moles. To figure out the volume of water that we need, we want to start with the concentration of 0.0327 moles per liter and use that as our guide because that has the units of liters in it. So now, to calculate volume, we start with the concentration, but we want the units of liters on the top and the 0.0327 moles on the bottom. So now to cancel the moles that we have on the bottom, we multiply by the moles that we just figured out, 4.93 times 10 to the minus 3. So taking that moles, dividing by the moles per liter that we have from the volume, you should come out with 0.151. And because our moles canceled, we're left with liters for this question. So 0.151 liters.